If you're someone who looks in the mirror and sees several old, silver mercury amalgam fillings in your mouth, you want to come to our office at Rejuvenation Dentistry to be evaluated for our smart mercury removal protocol. General dentists typically remove mercury amalgam fillings without any sort of safety protocol in place. About half of amalgam fillings are comprised of mercury, and when removed, that mercury vapor is released into the air. And we here at Rejuvenation Dentistry put as many protective measures in place as possible in order to be sure that we are not putting the patient, dentist, or assistant in any danger. In addition to wearing the proper protective equipment, we also make sure to have the air as properly filtrated as possible with a high vacuum suction and also with a mercury deionizer. Our top priority here at Rejuvenation Dentistry is safety and making sure that patients leave healthier than when they walked in.